What's your name?
My name is Nitika Kapoor.
Okay, fantastic. It's a very beautiful name. What does it mean?
Thank you so much, sir. It means that victory.
A victory.
A victory.
It means victory. Who gave you this name?
My grandmother.
Okay, very beautiful name.
Thank you.
Nice name. Wonderful. By the way, just are you happy with this name?
I am too much happy with this name, sir.
Fantastic. Miss Nikita Kakkar, tell me about yourself.
Thank you so much, sir, for giving me this lovely opportunity so that I can introduce myself in front of you. So I really would like to use those magical words about me, so which can define me very easily in front of you, so that you can get to know more about me very easily and very short way.
Okay, fantastic. You are speaking little louder. Speak.
Okay, yeah, sure. Sure. So I'm a very adaptable personality, which means I can change myself according to the organization and according to the any kind of environment. And also I'm a very passionate personality. It means that I always want to do my things with very passion and very interest. And the last one is that I'm a very self-motivated person, which means I can never give up on anything, and I can do anything without needing a person in my life. And if I talk about my educational background, I have done just graduation from MGS University of Ajmer, and also I have done PG program from Frankfurt, and now I am pursuing MBA, my masters from Manipal University of Jaipur, and currently I am learning English and personality development skills from the very respectable educational institute. If I am talking about my work and work experience, so I have more than 3-year experience. I worked as an sales manager in HDFC Bank, and also I worked as an HR manager in my last previous company. If I talk about the most beautiful part of this introduction, so that is about my goal, and I just want to become a cabin crew so that I can fly high in the sky. Thank you so much. That's all about my introduction.
Fantastic. Except cabin crew, why didn't you choose another option to become a Tibet in your life?
Because that this dream is of my mother. She always wanted to become a cabin crew, but some circumstances she didn't. She couldn't become. So that's why I just want to fulfill her dream.
Okay, fantastic. Another question is there for you, Ms. Kakkar. What are your greatest strengths?
My greatest strength is that I'm just a motivated person, sir. I don't need anyone in my life to heal me, because I think I'm the only person in my life who can heal myself.
Okay, fantastic. Another question, what is your weakness?
Sir, my weakness is that I am very emotionally invested person in certain things, and I think this is not good for me. So you can say that I am emotional person.
Okay, could you tell me about your goals?
Sir, as I told you that I just want to become a cabin crew, and there is no another option for me, because I just want to grab it at anyhow, by any cost. That's it.
What is your long-term goal?
So this is my long-term and short-term goal. This is what I just want to do in my life.
Oh, fantastic. Another question for you. What is your interest?
Sir, my interest is in dancing. I really love to do dance.
Your interest is to dance,
Yes,
right?
yes.
What do you get from dancing?
Sir, whenever I dance, it doesn't mean that I'm in a good mood or in a bad mood. But whenever I dance, I feel very confident person. So that's why I just want to do always dance.
Okay, earlier you told that just you are going to become a cabin crew, right?
Yes, sir.
In case there is a critical situation in flight and flight is going to be faced, in that situation you are a cabin crew in that flight, how do we face and how do we manage all the passengers who are sitting in the flight?
Okay, sir. Thank you so much, sir. This is a very beautiful question from you. So, in that case, I will manage all the things about the passengers. I'll see that if somebody is going panic, or if somebody is just facing discomfort in the flight, so this is my first key of role, that I just need to make them calm, and I will serve water, and I'm gonna make them calm by the instructions of my pilot, and according to my seniors, I will be the person who need to and who handle all the situation related to the aircraft, and I'll be the person who who will gonna make them calm, make them comfortable, and I'll make them be seated and be familiar at that time so that they can't get panic.
Okay, fantastic. From whom do you get motivation and inspiration in your life?
So from my mother and my mentor.
Okay, from your mother.
Yes.
What is visualization motivation you get from your mother?
According to my mother is that this world is just yours, and now it depends on you that in what sense you want to fly. If you want to fly, you just need to fly without any condition in your life.
What inspiration you get from your mentor?
Sir, he always supports me in every kind of situation. Either I am a good nor I am not, but he always support me a lot, and he always motivates me. And this is the reason that I am here today, and I am able to speak very good way, I think.
Okay, fantastic. What is the role of personality in our life?
So personality is not just about wearing a good clothes. Personality is all about human nature. So according to me, if you are a very good human being, then you can earn, you can adapt, attain, you can attract all the things towards yourself just by your personality. If you are a good human being
Okay,
first.
fantastic. In the life of Kevin Crew, what is the role of motivation?
Sir, my motivation is my mother. She is the only one, so that's why I just want to become a cabin crew. And I just want to fly in the sky. This is the dream of mine, and I just want to do it definitely with a very confidence. And yes, I'm a very confident girl, but I just want to more because there are many things which is I really need to learn, and I just want to grab it in my life, in this my life.
Okay. Our last question is there for you that how to become a risky person in our life.
How to become a risky person? In what sense, sir? May I know?
Risky means how to become a challenging person.
Challenging person. So, if I talk about myself, so there are many challenges with me right now. Like, I have a tattoo on my arm which is very visible, and there are a number of people who always used to tell me that, Nikita, you can't do this because you have a tattoo, you have many challenges, so you are not going to grab that one. So, I just want to make them that yes, this is me, Nikita, and I just did it, and this is what I just prove, and this is what I just want to do for those people so that I can tell them that yes, this is me, Nikita Kakkad, and this is just done by me. So this is the first challenge in my life, and I just want to do it anyhow,
At any cost.
at
Right?
any cost.
How did you feel to have the words with me right now?
Sir, it is very lovely and very great opportunity, and I am very happy to being a part of this session today. And I could not elaborate in a words that how much happy I am, and I learned many things that I am just building my confidence to talk to with you, and that this is what that I can say.
Fantastic.